What's up guys, Bobby here from slicktext.com, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to advanced segmenting techniques. Today I'm going to show you how to use the and or statements to create some advanced segments. So let's head over to slicktext.com. If you don't have an account with us already, go ahead and pick a plan based on the amount of volume you want to send per month. I already am logged in, so I'm going to click on Go to Dashboard. From the dashboard here, we're going to go over to the text words page, top center or left here. On the text words page, on the right side of our text word, we're going to click on options and segments. Now in my previous tutorial, I showed you guys how to create some basic segments, segmenting by the city, state, zip code, maybe the subscription date for events, an age range, pretty basic stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to create a segment based on our and or statements. So to start, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some of the contacts. All right, so I have 3 contacts loaded in here, and for every contact I've filled in some custom fields. Now if you want to know what custom fields are, go watch the custom fields tutorial. So I set up 3 custom fields. All 3 of these contacts have locations set to either A or B. Now 2 of the other ones are set to A, and the other 2 contacts are set to manager for job title, and everybody has a different unique customer portal. Okay, so that kind of gives you some background information. Let's go back to the text words page and let's set up a segment for just the managers. All right, so we'll call this managers. From our dimension here, we'll select job title is manager. Now as soon as I click out of here, it's going to recognize that 2 of the contacts are managers or marked as manager. Now watch what happens if I try to add an and statement and I say find me anyone who is a manager and an employee. Alright, now this is going to negate itself because guess what? You cannot have 2 different values on one subscriber in the custom field or in any field for that matter. So you're not going to find a single subscriber that is marked as a manager and an employee for that custom field job title. Alright, so as soon as I click out of here, 0 contacts register. Alright, if I negate one of these values, the system will be able to find a single person who has the job title manager or employee. So let's negate this one. And as soon as I do that, 2 contacts are now put back into that segment. Okay, now another example, let's do an and statement. Find me everybody who's a manager and their location is A. Alright, as soon as I do this, yes, 2 people are going to be segmented here because I have 2 people who are marked in the job title field as manager and 2 people who are marked, those same 2 people are also marked as location A. Therefore, that segment is a valid equation. Let's add one more just as an additional example. Alright, so we got 2 people that match manager for job title and location A. Let's try to get that 3rd person in here, and let's say their job title is, for this segment, let's say this segment is anybody who has a job title of manager, location A, or job title employee. The same thing's going to happen as before. Everybody's negated because this is not a valid equation. Nobody can be a manager and an employee in a single job title. Alright, but if you negate this one, awesome. We have precise matches for job title manager and location A. Now let's do an or statement. Alright, so let's do, for the first one here, job title is manager or anyone whose job title is employee. Alright, so now what you're doing is you're going to that group of contacts and you're saying, get me everyone who is either a manager or is an employee and put them into this segment. Alright, now this one brings back 3 subscribers because this is a valid equation. That's how you use the or statement. Now, or is kind of like the addition in math. You could add a whole bunch of stuff to this. Let's say if we get rid of this one and we could do or their location is B. Alright, now there's only 1 subscriber who has a location of B and they're not a manager. So what's happening right now is we're taking anybody who's a manager or they work at location B and we're putting them into a new segment. Alright, so we call this managers and location B, and we just hit save. Alright, we go back to our segments, and there it is. We have 3 contacts in there, and they're all segmented properly. So those are some advanced segmenting techniques with SlickText using our and or statements. Should you guys have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290. Email us info@sliptext.com, spark a chat, or also check our help center in the upper right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you soon.